Carrying bulky equipment, loads of wood, or other heavy items manually is a thing of the past. The technological developments today have led to the creation of tow-behind dump carts to help you perform tasks efficiently. The cars are widely used by people thanks to the convenience they offer when it comes to carrying heavy and big loads. These products are also essential to individuals that love gardening and they want accessories that will simplify the gardening activities. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best tow-behind dump cart. Let's get started. Number 5. Moto Alliance Impact Implements. Buy this Moto Alliance Impact dump cart and turn your UTV, lawn tractor, and ATV into a multi-purpose hauling machine. The Moto Alliance Impact dump cart is ideal for hauling heavier items, as it supports a weight capacity of 1,500 pounds. It's best for ice fishing, hunting, yard projects, and hauling firewood. The good hitch design on it has a down and up pivot that allows easy trailer rolling over logs, rocks, ice, and snowbanks. The hitch on this tool is attached to the machine by the use of one pin. This Moto Alliance Impact dump cart has many built-in and well-defined features that allow your lawn tractor to use it efficiently. It's the best tool for easy and smooth gardening and other related activities. Honestly, you should have this Moto Alliance Impact dump cart for your lawn tractor to operate perfectly. Number 4. AgriFab 45-0303 cart. Why should spend a lot of effort and time carrying fertilizer bags when you can use dump carts? The AgriFab 45-0303 is a quality model that will assist you to transport several items, including mulch and sand. It's quick to assemble and will play a pivotal role to help you maintain the lawn. The sturdy steel bed can hold up to 350 pounds of weight. The reinforced tailgate on this dump cart adds durability and strength to its overall performance. Also, the unit is easy to load and unload. The single lever release mechanism allows for more productivity. What's more, the manufacturer offers a 3-year warranty. Number 3. Gorilla Carts Poly Garden Dump. The Gorilla Carts Poly Dump Cart is a serious tool for serious gardeners due to its fantastic features. It's designed with a steel frame that is easy to assemble. This Gorilla Carts Poly Dump Cart is ideal for farming, gardening, and other outdoor jobs. It has a maximum capacity of 800 pounds, thus helping you do a majority of the tasks. The assembly time is reduced thanks to its innovative frame design that reduces the number of components. This Gorilla Carts Poly Dump Cart has a patented quick-release system that makes the whole process of unloading fast and easy. The large hauling capacity of this dump cart shows that it can handle all the odd jobs you have. It's designed with a high-strength bed that is maintenance-free, easy to clean, and rust-resistant. Number 2. Gorilla Carts GOR 866D Garden Poly. The Gorilla Carts GOR 866D is a quality dump cart that's designed to simplify the process of transporting materials around your lawn when undertaking landscaping projects. The model is made of premium quality poly that comes in a black finish. The cart is rust resistant and easy to clean, thus guaranteeing several years of service. Also, the unit boasts of the patented quick-release design that will reduce fatigue and save time for the user. Despite being a lightweight model, the Gorilla Carts GOR 866D can carry weight up to 12,000 pounds. They can transport a wide range of items: mulch, heavy dirt, plants, and gravel. Moreover, the 2-in-1 convertible design is perfect for a wide range of people. Number 1. AgriFab 45-0101 Dump Cart. AgriFab 45-0101 ranks among the most complete dump carts. They will help you take care of the yard without forcing you to break the bank. The unit is sturdy and meant to provide several years of service. Also, the model boasts of durable poly beds and powder-coated steel finish. Other notable features include reinforced tailgates, quality pneumatic tires, and high-end axles. AgriFab 45-0101 features scratch-resistant materials, thus offering protection to your tool. The 750 pounds load capacity will hold most of your materials. The tires allow for easy maneuverability. What's more, the cart is easy to maintain and will work well in most terrains. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.